I'm wearing no bra, no boobs, no problems. Yeah, really. Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Today is going to be very exciting. I am going to be sharing with you guys on my channel some makeup tutorial devoted to St. Valentines. I mean, this year flew by. I mean, my previous St. Valentine was devoted to something sparkly, glittery, pretty pink shades. And this year, I still want to keep it a little bit traditional and pink, but I wanted to keep it matte. So we're doing something matte, girly, I would say. We're changing some outfits. I'm gonna be honest, my husband and I, we do not celebrate St. Valentine's Day. First of all, prices are crazy. Second of all, the lines in the restaurants, they're crazy. And third reason, I guess we just don't really celebrate it. I don't know why. But this Saturday, my husband and I were going to the restaurant. We're gonna have a date, so it's a little bit early, right before St. Valentine's, but we don't really need a reason to just go and have some fun. So please stay tuned and let's get started. As always, we have to prime before we do any makeup. That's why I'm using NYX primer and I'm patting this with my finger. Transition shade is going to be from Beauty Bay palette, very soft beige color. And then I move into the first color, very soft pink in the inner corner. Then I wanted to use something brighter, and it looked brighter in the pan, but it turned out to be pretty much the same shade over my lid. That's why I just pick wisely. Maybe you need a little bit lighter shade for the inner corner. We're gonna talk about this a little bit later. For the outer corner, I'm using this beautiful pink, bright pink color. And then when I try to blend everything out, I actually wiped off all my colors. That's why I had to go over with the same shades again. Okay, so I learned my lesson and I used a little bit smaller blending brush this time. And for the outer corner, I wanted a little bit of shape. That's why I went for some purple shade. And it was a little bit off. That's why I used the same colors, like patted them. It's better to pat your shadows when you use matte colors. In the inner corner, I used brighter pink shade, and for the outer corner, I used a little bit of brown. So it kind of mixed everything together. Brown, purple, and pink worked really well. Of course, I used a little bit more blending, and for the lower lid, I used brown, pink, and in the inner corner, this coral shade that we used for the middle part of my upper lid. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned I don't want to use shimmers. That's why I used matte white color for the brow bone. I did not forget about my liner, so today I'm using Loreal liner. Not only today, but every single day I use Loreal eyeliner. And then with my Essence mascara, as always, I'm coating the lashes, using a little bit more blending with white shades, with pink colors. And then, of course, on top of that, I'm using my falsies. They completed the look, and I love it so much. I have very beautiful pink pencil, very soft pink, and I want to apply this in the waterline. And it's Valentine's Day. I was thinking about something dramatic for my lips first, and then I want to do something soft and girly. This is Essence Matte 07 color, and I'm gonna do this on the sides. I have a lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics, Eveline lipstick. All the products are gonna be listed down in the description box, and I'm placing this in the center of the lip, and I'm gonna use a lip liner. And a little bit earlier, I mentioned that I don't really want to do anything dramatic and crazy, though I love the combination of both colors. I have very beautiful nude shade. This one is from Vivian Saba. And then I'm going to place it over both colors. It's a little bit glossy. That's why I would need to grab a piece of paper. Okay, I've prepared some options for you guys. I have two, and I have no idea which one is going to be my favorite, the one that I'm going to pick for today. I have no idea. I want to put on this really cute jeans. And my ass looks gorgeous in this jeans. I'm not wearing bra, that's why I'm going to just cut this. And put on this cute little blouse. What if I go with pink belt? Of course, you can tuck in this blouse in this jeans, but I really think that it's going to be very pretty if I wear this beautiful pink belt. And I want to use some silver rings that I have. And then this hoops. I think that hoops are going to be really cool, this look. I'm wearing no bra, always gets down and I have to worry about my bra. So no boobs, no problems. Yeah, really. This is the first look. Don't worry about my socks because I will be wearing some boots. That is not an issue here. This is the look number 1. Really nice, cute. I have another option, the one that I really want to try out for you, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this one or a little bit different. I want to put on this really cute silver top, and on top of that top, though it looks really cute, but a little bit plain, okay? So we can agree that it's a little bit plain. I have big black shirt. I want to create like a shape, so I'm gonna start buttoning from the middle, just something like that. And I want to tuck in this part to the left and this side to my right. I don't really want to put on any bracelet, not with this t-shirt, not the previous one. And this is the look number 2. Guys, what do we think? I love both looks. Frankly speaking, I don't really wear my blouse a lot. That's why I guess this is going to be a perfect occasion to put this on while I have some fun and eat. So I have this Calvin Klein Into You fragrance. This scent is one of my favorite, and this is my scent, but I guess I'm gonna be wearing the blouse. So I'm gonna real quick change and conclude the video, guys. Conclude the video for you. And I'm finally back with you guys. So that is the final result. This is the complete look. Obsessed. Like, obsessed. I have a lot of pink shades. I have a lot of blue in my outfit. So I am satisfied with this result. I guess this is going to be the perfect outfit. I hope you enjoyed the small tutorial, the small St. Valentines tutorial, and I wish you all the best. If you are alone, grab a friend, anyone who's lonely this time as well, and go have some fun. Or maybe just ask him or her around and have some fun at home. You always have friends and you always have you. So self-love is very important at the same time. Of course, that's why, yeah. Love you all, guys, and I hope I'm gonna see you in my next video. It's gonna be uploaded really soon. Bye-bye.